Fitbit Charge app. The pros, the cons. The Fitbit Charge app has become one of the most popular fitness companions worldwide, but does it actually deliver on its promise of a healthier, more active life? Let's uncover the real pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Fitbit Charge app excels in motivation and tracking accuracy. It automatically records steps, heart rate, calories burned, and even sleep stages light, deep and REM. Most people get this wrong. They think Fitbit is just a step counter, but the app's health insights go far deeper. It provides real-time heart rate zones during workouts, detailed sleep scores, and even stress management tools using mindfulness reminders and breathing exercises. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and syncs seamlessly with other devices and apps like MyFitnessPal or Strava. Plus, Fitbit's social challenges and badges make staying active surprisingly fun. Now for the cons. The surprising truth is that some of Fitbit's best features are locked behind a premium subscription. Detailed health metrics, long-term trend analysis, and guided programs all require the paid plan. Battery life can also be inconsistent, especially when GPS and heart rate tracking are active. And while Fitbit tracks data well, its fitness coaching tools aren't as advanced or personalized as competitors like Garmin or Apple Fitness. In conclusion, the Fitbit Charge app is a reliable, motivating health partner that keeps you accountable and aware of your daily habits. It's best for people who want to improve fitness through tracking and small daily wins rather than intense performance training. If you're ready to stay active and mindful about your health, Fitbit makes it simple. Just know that unlocking its full potential comes with a subscription cost.